A vast and infinite universe has always held secrets far beyond our wildest imaginations. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and the cosmos, driven by a relentless curiosity to understand our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. Yet, despite all our advances, there remain enigmas so profound that they challenge the very foundations of what we believe to be true. Sometimes these mysteries obscure critical information that could accelerate scientific progress, forcing us to question long-held assumptions. Recently, one such cosmic mystery has emerged. One so baffling that it has left scientists and astronomers around the world perplexed and questioning the fundamentals of cosmic evolution. The revelation comes from the most advanced telescope ever launched into space, the James Webb Space Telescope. Since becoming operational more than 2 years ago, this $10 billion marvel has been revolutionizing our view of the universe. With unprecedented power to peer deeper into space and time than ever before, it has begun unveiling phenomena that not only challenge but potentially rewrite parts of the standard cosmological model. Among the most shocking discoveries reported is the unexplained disappearance of an estimated 900 trillion stars scattered across the vast expanse of space. This staggering number, an amount of stars far beyond comprehension, raises urgent questions. How could so many stars simply vanish? Where did they go? And what does this mean for our understanding of the universe's fate? To fully appreciate the gravity of this discovery, we need to understand what makes the James Webb Space Telescope unique. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, James Webb operates primarily in the infrared spectrum, enabling it to detect light that has been stretched to longer wavelengths over billions of years. This, redshifted, ultraviolet and visible light originates from galaxies so distant that their light has traveled for eons before reaching us. These wavelengths are beyond human vision and were previously obscured by cosmic dust clouds and other obstacles. In July 2022, James Webb began targeting these extremely distant and ancient galaxies, revealing astonishing details about their structure, formation, and composition. It showed us parts of the cosmos that Hubble simply could not observe, piercing through thick cosmic veils and uncovering new layers of the universe's vast history. But among the revelations, one stood out like a cosmic alarm bell: the vanishing of 900 trillion stars without any obvious explanation. This finding contradicts everything we know about stellar life cycles. Traditionally, stars end their lives spectacularly, as supernovae, scattering their matter back into space or collapsing into black holes in predictable ways. The sheer scale of disappearance here doesn't fit this model. Each new piece of data deepens the mystery and suggests that something far more complex, or even sinister, is at play. Two main theories have emerged to explain this phenomenon. The first, more conventional hypothesis suggests that these stars might still exist but have drastically lowered their brightness. This could be due to thick clouds of interstellar dust concealing them, or perhaps the stars collapsed directly into black holes without a preceding supernova, a process not yet fully understood or confirmed by current physics. If true, it would require us to rethink how stars die and transform in extreme cosmic environments. The second theory is far more unsettling. It posits that the universe itself might be undergoing a process of disappearance or cosmic fading, a gradual vanishing of stars and galaxies beyond our ability to observe or comprehend. This ties directly into our understanding of cosmic expansion, dark energy, and the ultimate fate of the universe. Nearly a century ago, astronomers established that the universe is expanding. Observations showed that galaxies are moving away from us, with more distant galaxies receding faster, a phenomenon known as Hubble's law. However, it's crucial to understand what this expansion truly means. Galaxies aren't simply moving through space away from each other. Instead, the fabric of space itself is stretching, carrying galaxies along for the ride. This causes distant galaxies to appear to accelerate away, not because they're racing through space, but because space itself is expanding between us. For decades, this expansion was thought to be slowing due to the pull of gravity, until roughly 20 years ago when a stunning discovery revealed the opposite. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. A mysterious force, now known as dark energy, is driving this accelerated expansion. As the universe expands faster and faster, some galaxies will eventually recede beyond our cosmic horizon, the point beyond which light emitted now will never reach us. In other words, those galaxies are moving away so rapidly that, even if we could travel at the speed of light, we would never reach them. To illustrate this, consider how we observe distant objects. When we look at a star whose light has traveled for 100 years, we see it as it was 100 years ago. But for a galaxy whose light took 100 million years to reach us, due to expansion, it is now much farther away than 100 million light years. The space between us and that galaxy has stretched in the meantime, making it effectively unreachable. This phenomenon causes the wavelength of light traveling through space to stretch, shifting it toward the red end of the spectrum, a phenomenon called redshift. The greater the redshift, the faster the object is receding. The large redshifts observed in distant galaxies strongly confirm this expansion. But redshift isn't just a marker of distance, it tells us about the universe's composition and evolution. Approximately 68% of the universe's energy density is dark energy, responsible for pushing galaxies apart. Around 27% is dark matter, an invisible form of matter exerting gravitational influence. The remaining 4.9% consists of ordinary matter, protons, neutrons, electrons, the stuff that makes up stars, planets, and people. Understanding these components allows cosmologists to model the universe's past and predict its future. Based on current observations, the universe will continue to expand indefinitely, with regions beyond our local group becoming isolated islands in an ever-growing cosmic ocean. Our observable universe spans roughly 46 billion light-years across, but only about 6% of the galaxies within this volume are actually accessible to us. This means that the vast majority, around 94%, are already beyond our reach due to accelerated expansion. Every second, between 20,000 and 60,000 stars cross from being reachable to unreachable. While the light they emitted in the past will eventually reach us, the light they emit right now will never be seen by us. This sobering reality serves as a cosmic reminder of the preciousness of time. If humanity hopes to explore beyond our local group of galaxies, which includes the Milky Way, Andromeda, and about 60 satellite galaxies, every moment counts. Unless humanity develops the ability to travel between galaxy clusters or radically new physics emerges, we may forever be confined to our cosmic neighborhood. Our ability to communicate with, observe, or reach out to distant galaxies will fade away, leaving us isolated in a vast and lonely universe. This relentless expansion of the universe is a force beyond our control. It is a profound cosmic truth. The universe is not only expanding, but accelerating in its expansion, and this pace is increasing every moment. Though this may sound bleak, it also fuels scientific urgency and curiosity. The James Webb Space Telescope, through its unparalleled power, is opening windows to new cosmic frontiers and challenging us to rethink everything we know, from the life cycle of stars to the destiny of the cosmos itself. The disappearance of 900 trillion stars is not merely a puzzle. It may be a signal pointing to deeper, hidden mechanisms at work in the universe. Mechanisms we have barely begun to understand. So as we look forward to more discoveries from James Webb and future telescopes, one thing is certain. The universe holds many more secrets waiting to be unveiled. Each revelation pushes humanity further into the unknown and reshapes our understanding of existence. If you found this exploration fascinating, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content that delves into the mysteries of the cosmos. Share this with anyone who loves to question and imagine, because the universe is far stranger and more mysterious than we have ever dared to believe.